The Turkish Get Up is a great way to work the whole entire body, especially if you only have access to one or limited weights. With a kettlebell, you're going to lay on your side and have the weight over by your arms. You're going to lay in the fetal position. The bottom hand is going to grab the kettlebell, top hand is going to come on top, grasping there. You're going to keep the elbow on the ground as you roll over to your back and use that elbow as a fulcrum point. Alright, so here we are in this bridge position. We're going to press the weight overhead with both hands and then let go with that hand. The side that has the kettlebell, you're going to keep that knee bent. The side that doesn't have the kettlebell, that leg's going to go out about 45 degrees, and then this arm's also going to go out 45 degrees. Throughout this entire motion, and also a great way to practice the Turkish Get Up to make sure that the knuckles are always driving up to the ceiling, is start with balancing a shoe on your knuckles. If you can perform the whole thing with it on your knuckles, then you can proceed to using weight. Alright, so here we are. The first part is we're not going to crunch up to come to the arm. It's more of a, I'm driving off this leg to roll up onto the other arm. Then we come to the palm. The hips come up. We bring this knee underneath us. From here it is hand, knee, and ankle all in alignment. And then from there, we squeeze our glutes to come up. We windshield wiper. You can either do the back leg or the front leg. In this case, I'll do the back leg. You're going to dig in those back toes so that we have something to push off of. And then from there, we stand. And then we reverse that whole motion. The leg you can slap is the one that goes back. Lunge, windshield wipe, hinge, hand comes down, kick it out, hips come down to the forearm, and then back down. All right, so that was one Turkish Get Up. Let's go in a few more nuances. So I'm going to safely halo it over to the other side. Remember, first we start with fetal position, both hands on the bell. Keep that elbow on the ground as you roll to your back. Press overhead. In this case, the kettlebell's in my left hand. So my left knee's going to stay bent, my right leg's going to go out about 45 degrees, and my right hand's going to go out about 45 degrees. Always imagine I'm balancing that shoe. The big thing with that is so that the weight's not dumping in any which way, always driving up. Once again, we're not going to sit up, we're going to use this posted foot to push off the ground, roll up at a slight diagonal to come up here. You never want to have your ear crunching up to the shoulder, or yeah, your shoulder crunching up to your ear. We're actually pushing the ground away, okay? So let me just show you from there. That's the roll to elbow part. One little thing to help you here too is this grounded foot. This hand right here, imagine there's a post coming out of the ground. I'm grabbing onto that post and pulling as I drive off this foot. So it's almost a wedging effect, because as I drive off this foot, I'm going to pull with this arm. So to the elbow, from here to the palm. Hips come up. Now, when you bring this leg underneath you, it's going to be hand, knee, and foot all in alignment. So hand, knee, and foot are all in alignment. Keep your eyes on the bell. From here, squeeze your glutes. Now you can look away from the bell. Once again, you can windshield wipe the front leg, or you can windshield wipe the back leg into a lunging position. So, if we were here, I'm going to show you squeeze your glutes, windshield wipe that leg. I'm going to dig in those back toes, come to standing. Reverse the motion. Leg you can slap is the one that goes back, windshield wipe. Now when I come down, we want that constellation of wrist, knee, and ankle. From here, get your eye back on the bell, kick out the leg, hips come down. Imagine that post is there again. You're going to push off that post to come back to elbow, and then push off again to come all the way back down. So, show you all in all, nice and smooth. Roll to your side, grab, push, get the leg and arm out, drive off that foot to the palm, hips up, bring the leg underneath, squeeze your glutes, windshield wipe, stand, reverse, lunge, windshield, hinge, kick it out, hips come down, push off the post, and come back down safely, and then roll back to the fetal position to put the kettlebell down, the Turkish Get Up.